Welcome to Smart Economics. Here are your top business and startup news. Hyundai Kia say they are not in talks with Apple on autonomous car development. South Korea's Hyundai Motor Company and Kia Corporation said on Monday they are not in talks with Apple Inc. on developing autonomous vehicles, sending their shares tumbling. In early January, Korea Economic Daily TV reported Apple and Hyundai were in discussions to develop self-driving electric vehicles by 2027 and develop batteries at US factories operated by either Hyundai or its affiliate Kia Corporation. Shares of Hyundai and Kia were trading down 6.8% and 13.6% respectively, versus the broader market KOSP's 0.6% drop. Zuckerberg, part of $100 million California Black Freedom Fund. More than 24 philanthropic organizations and corporations on Thursday launched the California Black Freedom Fund, $100 million. 5-year initiative that they say will provide resources to black-led organizations in the state that are seeking to eradicate systemic racism. The 25 funders include the philanthropic groups of Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg and his wife Priscilla Chan, philanthropist Lauren Powell Jobs, as well as JP Morgan Chase. McKinsey and Company to pay $550 million over role in opioid crisis. McKinsey and Company has agreed to pay more than $550 million to settle claims by US states that the consulting company helped fuel the opioid epidemic by providing marketing advice to drug makers including Purdue Pharma LP and Johnson & Johnson. People familiar with the accord said. Renesas agrees to buy Apple supplier Dialog Semi for $5.9 billion in cash. Renesas Electronics Corporation and Dialog Semiconductor said on Monday they had agreed for the Japanese chipmaker to buy the Frankfurt-listed chip designer for 4.9 billion euros in cash. Renesas, one of the world's biggest auto chip makers, has offered 67.50 euros a share for the Apple Inc. supplier, representing a 20% premium to Friday's closing price and a 52% premium to a weighted 3 months average. Dialog said in a statement that the agreed deal represented a compelling opportunity for its shareholders. Its board of directors would unanimously recommend the offer. The who, what and where of Elon Musk's $100 million prize money for carbon capture innovation. The details behind Elon Musk's $100 million prize for the best carbon capture technology are coming into focus. On January 21, when the Tesla CEO tweeted he would be donating $100 million toward a prize for the best carbon capture technology, he piqued interest, but also left many questions unanswered. On Monday, the non-profit organization which is running the contest, the X Prize Foundation, started to fill in some of those blanks. The X Prize has been running innovation prizes since 1994 in the areas of space, oceans, learning, health, energy, environment, transportation, safety, and robotics. The price of oil has recovered to its pre-pandemic levels, having hit an all-time low last year. While demand for oil is still lower than normal, there are hopes of a speedier than expected economic recovery as vaccines are rolled out. Oil prices are often seen as a barometer for economic activity, still struggling with the virus downturn. Black gold has now reached $60 a barrel, having risen more than 50% in the last few months. Musk Tesla electrifies Bitcoin with $1.5 billion bet. Car payments pledge. Bitcoins took another large stride towards mainstream acceptance on Monday after billionaire Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla Inc. revealed it has purchased $1.5 billion of the cryptocurrency and would soon accept it as a form of payment. The announcements, buried deep in Tesla's 2020 annual report, drove a 10% surge in the world's most widely held cryptocurrency. Investors anticipated other companies will soon join a list of firms that invest or hold Bitcoin, including BlackRock Inc., the world's largest asset manager, and payments companies Square and PayPal. Laser manufacturer Coherent received $6 billion takeover Offer from MKS Instruments. Coherent Inc. said on Monday it had received an unsolicited offer from manufacturing devices maker MKS Instruments Inc. to acquire the laser manufacturer in a $6 billion cash and stock deal. The offer values Coherent shares at $240 a piece, representing a premium of about 24% to the stock's Friday close. Last month, optical fiber specialist Lumentum Holdings Inc. said it would acquire Coherent in a $5.7 billion deal. MKS said its offer represents a premium of 16% to Lumentum's proposal and includes a cash component of $115 compared to $100 in Lumentum's offer. Launching Panoramic Ventures, Atlanta's BIP Capital adds a new partner and plans $300 million new VC fund. The Atlanta-based BIP Capital has a new name for its venture capital operations, a new partner, and is launching a $300 million new fund in its bid to plant a flag as the premier venture fund among the rising startup cities across the country. Miami may have grabbed headlines recently as a new hub for venture capital and technology startups. But like other cities across the Southeast, it's lacked venture funds of a significant size since the early days of the dot-com bubble. Ether futures start trading on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Today, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is launching Ether futures, which will provide investors more opportunities to place bets on the digital token, whether they are bulls or bears. Ether has always been the Luke Hemsworth to Bitcoin's craze. It was launched several years after Bitcoin burst onto the scene, and it's the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap and daily volume. The price of Ether has gone parabolic recently, hitting an all-time high of $1,700 last Friday. It's still unclear what being listed on CME will mean, though similar to when Bitcoin futures launched on CME 3 years ago, analysts expect the initial trading volume to be quite low. So that's it into this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for daily business and startup news.